place, the Four River Shipyard, Quincy, Massachusetts. The date, September 23rd, 1941. The USS Massachusetts slides into the water for the first time. Big Mamie, 35,000 tons of Battleship, takes to the sea.
Now hear this. All officers to the bridge.
Tonight, gentlemen, we're slipping as close as possible to Casablanca, French Morocco. This will be America's first naval operation in the European area. Our mission is to open the way for an Allied invasion. Our orders are to fire only if fired upon. Our code words to open fire: play ball.
Captain, there's a French battleship in the harbor, the Jean Bart. With her, there's a light cruiser, 7 large destroyers, and 8 submarines. Well, the Vichy French have joined with the Nazis. But do you think they'll fire on us?
Those star shells are your answer, Chief. They're lighting up the sky just to sight in on us.
Now hear this. Play ball. Play ball. Commence firing.
The Big Mamie took it and blasted back. Her 16-inch guns tore into the enemy. Before the day was done, she had beat the mighty Jean Bart into a blazing wreck, silenced the shore batteries, and sunk 2 enemy destroyers. This was the last battleship duel in naval history.
Ship's log, November 10th, 1942. First sea battle in America's North Africa campaign, won. Only damage: 1 shell struck the after turret, 1 abreast the forward turret. No casualties. Mission accomplished. Francis Whiting, Captain, USN.
Only a few months later, Big Mamie was on the other side of the world, fighting the Japanese in the Pacific.
Ship's log, December 8th, 1943. Massachusetts bombarded the Japanese air base at Nauru. Next assignment, Kwajalein. February 1944, attack on truck, Japanese advance base.
Look out! Here comes the kamikaze! Got him!
December 17th, 1944. Our mission, to cover the invasion of Mindoro. January 1945, the China Sea, raiding enemy shipping. March, Okinawa. July 14, 1945. Our guns are firing the first naval shells of the war directly at the Japanese mainland. August 14.
7 p.m. Eastern Wartime. Bob Trout reporting. The Japanese have accepted our terms fully. That's the word we've just received from the White House in Washington. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the end of the Second World War. The United Nations, on land, on the sea, in the air, and to the 4 corners of the earth, are united and are victorious.
August 19th, Japan. The Massachusetts is dispatching troops ashore. The following facts are noted. The USS Massachusetts logged 225,000 nautical miles, 35 engagements, 9 bombardments, 5 enemy ships sunk, 18 enemy aircraft destroyed, 7 carrier pilots rescued. Signed, Francis Whiting, Captain, USN.
The USS Massachusetts, Big Mamie, fought World War II from start to finish. Where the action was, so was she. But the crowning glory of this gallant ship's achievements, in missions accomplished under adversity, in fighting the enemy and the elements, was that Big Mamie never lost a man.